This video is intended to help the new user install the netting material and prepare the machine for the first use. Please consult the owner's manual for operation and safety procedures. To start, remove the screw holding the top cover closed. Use a 10mm socket or wrench for this. Inside the cover there is a threading diagram and instructions in multiple languages. Loosen the screws enough to remove the side cover. This will allow easy access to the pulley inside. The arm that presses down on the belt at the top of the pulley is released by placing a block on the other side. Now the pulley can be used to turn the feed roller. If the belt catches, just pull up the belt a little on the back. Release the tension springs on both sides. Raise the tensioner and set the foot into the hole. Rotate the two bars up. Place the roll of netting in the compartment so the netting feeds off the top as shown. Pull out the outer two wraps, about 3 feet, and cut it off with sharp scissors. Pull out about 2 feet and gather it up and push it down into the chamber. There is a roller under the net wrap holder. Be sure the netting goes under this roller. From the back, reach down into the chamber and pull up the netting. Release the foot that holds the tensioner, then lower the tensioner onto the netting. Set the tension springs into the first hole. As the roll of netting becomes smaller, move the spring into the lower holes. This provides the proper tension on the netting for correct feeding. A yardstick trimmed to 27 inches is used to press the netting into the pinch point between the two rollers. The knives that cut the netting at the end of the wrapping cycle are sharp and you need to avoid them. You can see them move in and out of the netting path as you pull the wrap arm forward. This is the arm with the rope tied to the top. The netting needs to be pulled forward so that it is in front of the knives. Pull the wrap arm forward to move the knives back. Then pull the netting forward as needed. The netting should stay to the front when the knives move back. If you pull the wrap arm far enough forward, it will become engaged in the wrap cycle and will not return back. To reset this, the side cover is opened. When the rope pulls the wrap arm forward, a lever with a pivoting knife edge is moved onto the top of a threaded rod that would be turning if the baler is running. After the required number of rotations, the arm is driven out and off the edge of the threaded rod. This causes the knives to shear the netting at the end of the cycle. The brake arm that contacts the top of the belt also engages at this time. This is the mechanism that meters the length of the netting wrapped around the bale after you release the rope. To release the lever, pull forward on the wrap arm until the lever is lifted. Then pull the arm forward to the edge of the threaded rod and let the lever down with the wrap arm. Before operating the baler, verify that the alert siren is switched on. We ship them with the switch turned off. Open the side cover and move the toggle switch to the on position. Go to the other side of the baler and lift up on the spring arm of the switch. The siren should sound when the switch is raised. The rope passes through a guide. The guide is in the lowest position for shipping. Raising it to the height that will allow it to run straight to your tractor will make it easier to engage the wrap mechanism. A 3mm hex key and an 8mm wrench are used to remove the screw holding it in place. Set the height and replace the screw. Replace all covers and guards before operating the baler. The tools used for opening covers are a 10mm socket or a wrench and a straight blade screwdriver. The wood block used to hold the wrap arm forward is 1.5 inches square and 3/4 inch thick.
Visit TractorToolsDirect.com to shop our full line of implements for compact tractors. We have made researching your purchase easy by providing ample information about our products right on our website. Just go to our product page and then click through the tabs to find everything you need to know about tractor compatibility and the performance of our implements. Make your purchase now and we will ship direct to your farm or business anywhere in the continental United States.